All this money right now that goes into building rockets, usually these rockets are thrown away, and it's pretty ridiculous. It's kind of like if you bought an expensive plane ticket, but the caveat is after one flight, the entire plane has to be thrown away. And when you think about it like that, it really puts things into perspective. And that's exactly how space travel has worked for decades. Every single time we launch a rocket, most of it is destroyed. The only part that usually makes it back is called the first stage, which is the booster at the bottom that lifts the rocket off the ground. Obviously, companies like SpaceX have figured out how to bring that part back and reuse it, and that is a step in the right direction. But the problem is the second stage, which is the part that actually reaches space. That part is still disposable, and that's an issue. The reason being is because these rockets are insanely expensive. I'm talking tens of millions of dollars every single time we launch, and if we could reuse the entire rocket and not just a part of it, we wouldn't have to keep building new ones from scratch. This would allow for cheaper launches and more frequent launches, and having an easier time exploring space. And so far, only one company has attempted this, which is SpaceX. But right now, there's another company called Stoke Space, and they're working on a rocket called Nova that could change everything. So they're trying to build a rocket that can launch, land, refuel, and launch again with almost zero downtime. And their main goal is to make spaceflight as routine and normal as flying an airplane. And at the center of their plan is this new rocket engine called Andromeda 2, and it's got a few things going for it. It can fire multiple times in space, which most rockets can't do at the moment. It has built-in protection for when it re-enters the Earth's atmosphere so it doesn't burn up, and it's designed in a way for quick and easy maintenance. And so if something does need fixing, parts can be swapped out in minutes rather than weeks or months. And if this does work, then this rocket could be launched, landed, and launched again with almost zero downtime instead of needing months and months of rebuilding and repair, and really just having to go through every little piece of the rocket to make sure it's in good condition. Right now, they're still in their testing phase, and it looks like SpaceX is still ahead of them, but if they pull this off, then it would be a huge deal in space exploration. Thanks for watching.